Hi everyone, I am Johnny Despirito from BSIT 1ANet, and for today's video, I'll be talking about the probability theory and how it's applied in the field of information technology. I choose this topic because it is the probability is more than just a number, and it helps the computer and system to make smart decisions and even when there is uncertainty. Whether it's predicting website traffic and preventing cyber attack or even the recommending videos on YouTube, probability is at the heart of technology and how it thinks and how it learns. So, what exactly is the probability theory? The probability theory is a branch of mathematics that means how likely an event is to happen. It is give a numerical value between 0 and 5 when the 0 means impossible and the 5 means certain. For example, when you flip the coin, there's a zero point 0.1 or 10% chance it lands head. But in IT, we can deal with much more complex situations than flipping coin. The application of probability in IT. First, machine learning algorithms use probability to make prediction and learn from data. For example, when we open the YouTube, you can search what you like to watch. It is based on the probability that you'll enjoy the similar content you watched before. Network reliability and performance. If one server has a 10% chance of failing and the another has 20% probability helps calculate the overall system reliability when both work together. Data analytic and decision making. When the probability used in data analytics to interpret data and make prediction. For example, the companies is used to forecast sales trends, website, or even user behavior. Because when the business is understand of the probability of certain outcomes, they can make a better data-driven decisions. Cybersecurity. In the cybersecurity probability help to detect unusual activity. For the instance, like if someone logged into your account from another place, the system calculates the probability that it's really you or the hacker. And if the probability is low, it is triggers an alert or verification to helping protect user account and our information. Example of demonstration. Let's try to apply the probability in a simple IT example. When the suppose a server crashes 3 times every 10 days, which means the probability of a crash on any given day is 3 out of 10 or zero point 0.3. Another example, if you have 3 servers running independent, what's the chance that all 3 crash it on the same? Let's try to multiply the probability. 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2 is equal to 0.008 or 0.8%. So that's the final answer. Thank you all for watching.